Hey everyone, today we're at CES 2024 in Las Vegas and we are approaching the Kohler booth and we are going to be checking out the $10,000 toilet. So come with me and let's see this amazing toilet. This toilet is actually called the Kohler Numi 2.0 Intelligent Toilet. Now this has some decent specifications such as a heated seat, a bidet functionality, dynamic ambient light, and music and sound settings to cover up undesirable sounds. This also comes with wireless streaming so that you can use your Bluetooth or Amazon Alexa to play your favorite songs. This even has a touchless lid, seat, and flush delivery for total convenience. And if you want to buy this, I have an Amazon link down in the description box below, so please check that out. It comes in different colors as well, such as this black version of the toilet. Please make sure to check out some more CES 2024 videos and also make sure to subscribe to my channel.